Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Well, today I'm going to show you step by step how to draw a hanging monkey. This guy is very funny. This monkey has a big grin on his face. He's hanging from his feet, banana in one hand, a branch in the other. This should make you laugh. Okay, enough of this monkey business. Come on, let's get to drawing. All right, first thing we're going to do is set up a little bit of an action line. Then we're going to draw a round sphere for our monkey's head. For the top of that sphere, put an eye line in. That's kind of the line that we'll use to put our eyes on, and then a center line. This is help to guide us in the, make sure all of his facial features lined up. Then we're going to do 4 C curves, and you could kind of see what I'm doing. This will kind of frame up his face. Following that center line, 2 lines to cover his nose, and then the eye that's closest to us you want to make a little bit rounder, and the eye further away you want to make it slender. An open mouth smile here. And then we're going to add some small ears. This will kind of add to the funny feature of our little monkey here. The inner curve of his body, and it's kind of almost square, has a rounded square feel to it. We do this because this will cause contrast against his round head. Again, it kind of is funny to see these 2 shapes going together. On top, we're going to draw the branch that he's hanging from. Remember, we're drawing lightly. This is our underdrawing. Just some toes resting on top of the branch there. Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, go down there and give me a thumbs up. You got this. Nice big tail and a real nice S curve is what we're looking here. Let's get one of these bananas, one of these hands to hold a banana. And when it comes to drawing bananas, here's a little tip for you. If you think of an oven glove, that's the way I start my hands, like a giant glove, like a giant oven glove that's holding on to whichever object. And then I go in and I break that oven glove up. So then you pull the fingers out of it. It's easier to draw something, grabbing something, by thinking of it as an oven glove or a mitten with no fingers. Now in his other hand we have a leaf that he's going to hold on to, and if at any time during this video you start following behind, just go ahead and pause it. We're going to use our same oven glove technique here. And even if you find the oven glove difficult to do, just once again, it's something to pause the video, practice a couple times until you get it down. So this brings us up to close to the end of our video. This is all an underdrawing, and you can see how I darken my lines on the left-hand side, and if you want to color it, you can see how I've colored mine as well. Okay, I hope that sets you in the right direction. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.